8 plus 2 make 10. 7 plus 3 make 10. Hi, and today we are going to do this activity of the Numberblocks Magazine Issue 50. This activity's name is 10's Hiccups. 10 has hiccups and has broken into her parts. Stick to match the parts. Have fun making all the parts on this page using your gift. Count them to see how different parts add up to 10. Hiccup. 10 has split into 8 and 2. This is the sticker. I put the sticker on. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 has split into 3 and 7. This is the sticker. Let's take it off. And let's put the sticker on. Three plus 7 equals 10. Hick! Oh! 10 split into 5, 2, and 3. Five plus 2 is 7, and 7 plus 3 is 10. Ten has split into 2 and 8. Two plus 8 equals 10. Oh, now 10 has split into 1 and 9. This sticker is very big. This sticker is very long. One plus 9 equals 10. Hick! Oh no. So over here, 10 split into 9 and 1. It is also over here. So 9 and 1. Over here, 4 and 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 10 split into half. 2 5s make 10. Here is the 5 in color blue. Hiccup! 6 and 4. Six plus 4 make 10. We have done this activity. 8 plus 2 make 10. 7 plus 3 make 10. 5 plus 2 plus 3 makes 10. 8 plus 2 make 10. 1 plus 9 make 10. 9 plus 1 make 10. 4 plus 6 make 10. 5 plus 5 make 10. 6 plus 4 make 10. 10! Ask your little ones questions like, how many parts are there? And how do they make 10? To help your little learner explain their thinking. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! See you later for more videos.